Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Unifi protocol. Unifi protocol is dropped at its last support, and from here it has a very big potential to start a big move. But before starting this analysis, by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I share. So let's start the analysis, and this is the weekly time frame, and here we can see that it has a very strong support at $4.85. Right now we are slightly moving down than this support, and it has happened even in the previous history as well. Like here we dropped on the weekly time frame at $4.27, but the week was not closed below than this level, and we had a closing above $5 and recovered back. And before that, it also happened here as well when we dropped at $4.71 but recovered back. And also on this candlestick, you can also check, we dropped at $4.51 and we again recovered back. Therefore, it is possible that before closing of this week, we will move above this support there, and we need to watch for this support in the weekly closing. If the closing will be above this support, then we can again recover back, and there will be a very high probability for a very big move, to start a very big move from here, because the price line is also stuck in a very long-term down channel. The formation of this channel was started here back in October 2021, and so far, even after several attempts, we are not able to break out the resistance. Yes, it is very clear. You can see that it is testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, if the price line is testing the resistance more than the support, then chances to break out the resistance are more than breaking down the support. And after breaking out this resistance of the channel, the target can be here at the top of this channel, where we also have a very strong resistance as well, that is approximately at $13. Now, if we move back to the weekly time frame, then it can be also observed that while the price line is at its last support, the oscillator, the stochastic, is extremely oversold, and it also has happened here as well. When we were testing the support here, it was extremely oversold, and the stochastic turned bullish. The price line followed the signal of stochastic, and we had a very big rally. And it can also it happen again, once again, like it had happened here as well. Now, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, here we have another short-term support established. You can see we have this support here at $4.70, and we need to keep an eye on the closing of the candlesticks. For example, if the price line will be closed on the 4-hourly time frame below than this support, then it can move more down, and in case of price reversal or bounce by this support, we can reach to the next resistance of $5.50 approximately here. And if we switch back to the daily time frame, then we can see that we have the resistance of this channel approximately at $5.50. And after this bounce by this support, the price line can also make another attempt to break out the resistance of the channel as well on the daily time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.